Hey, Cocoa Chef Kendra here, and today we're making one of my mom's favorite ice creams. We're making Butter Pecan Ice Cream. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. We're going with my trusty electric ice cream maker. This is an automatic kind. You don't have to freeze the bowl. Ice cream maker. I had it with 2 bowls. You can see my new one back there. But here's the dasher. You put it in like that, put it in like that, you cover it. You can see these in many of my old videos. Bowls on these have to be frozen like a night before. So I had 2 bowls, I always kept them frozen, ready to go because I have a freezer in my garage, and it was never a problem. I really like the fact that this has a cooling setting. See, it's cooling now. So when I pour my ice cream base in, it's almost like quick whip, like it's been freezing the whole time. You know what I'm saying? With this one, which is a terrific ice cream maker, you have to freeze the bowls though. But don't think I don't use this. When I'm testing a recipe, and I'm making lots of batches and making lots of tweaks, I use this one and that one over there. That one in the back can make batch after batch after batch, but these can make 2 batches because I have 2 bowls. If you buy this, it comes with 1 bowl. I had to buy that bowl separately. So enough about ice cream makers. Let's make some butter pecan ice cream. Okay guys, I don't really feel like actually chopping the nuts this time. I know, right? I love to chop. Not today, son. So, get my little gadget out here. A little mini food processor. And get some pecans in here. Pecan. Whatever you roll with. Slap the top on this thing. Put that on top. Plug it in. I don't want dust. That's about right. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay guys, this recipe calls for some honey. Not an ad, not an ad. Got some butter here. I'm gonna need 2 kinds of sugar for this, guys. White sugar, and packed brown sugar, light brown sugar. There's not many ingredients in that. I like that. Don't you guys like it when something's delicious but it doesn't take a lot of ingredients? Some milk and some heavy whipping cream. Yeah. Cups of milk. Now our heavy whipping cream. Woo! Splashing it everywhere, son. You ain't cooking unless you're making a mess. That's for real. Yo, we have honey, sugar, brown sugar, butter, a little bit of kosher salt. We have some pecans or pecans, and we have some milk and heavy whipping cream. We about to do this, son. Right after I clean up all the honey I spilled. I know you hear a hum in the background. That's the ice cream maker chilling. So it is what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move those pecans and that brown sugar and butter over there. Pour in our milk and our cream. Our honey. Sugar. Salt. And we're just going to whisk this together. Okay, this is our base. So we're going to get this over here to our ice cream maker. This has been chilling. Turn it off. Make sure this is on correctly. I'm going to turn the power back on. It's gonna say 60 minutes and ice cream. It's not gonna take that long, and after about 20 minutes, you'll see what I do. But right now, I'm just gonna hit start. And I'm gonna pour in our base. Cream, that honey, that sugar. Oh, we forgot something. I forgot vanilla extract. Oh my God. Oh my God. Everyone panic. Everyone panic. Nobody panics. It's gonna be fine. That's a teaspoon. I want 2 teaspoons. Oh my God, it's good already. Okay. Yeah! Alright guys, we have this pot here. I'm gonna turn the heat to low. There's butter in there. And I'm gonna let the butter melt. Okay, once the butter has started to melt, we're gonna add the pecans. We're gonna stir them in to the butter. And we're gonna cook and stir for a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And then we're gonna move on. That's what we do, we move on. Keep moving forward. No matter what life throws at you, you have to keep moving forward. One thing you don't want to do is burn your nuts. That's a big nut. You don't want to do that. Now we're going to add the brown sugar. And we're going to stir that in. And I want to cook the brown sugar until it's very well incorporated. Ice cream is doing its thing. And I don't know if you can see that, but it says 50 minutes and 20 seconds. So this goes down to about 40 minutes. I'm gonna come check again, and then that might be the time we want to add our pecans. But until that goes down, it smells so good. We're gonna get these boys on a plate so they can cool out, so they can chill. Relax. Wait for them moments in the spotlight. So I'm just gonna spread them out on this plate. I don't want to put them in while they are this hot. Now it has this little door to put in add-ins. I just take the top off and do it this way. So guys, now that the ice cream is halfway done, you saw me add the toasted and butter pecans to the mix. We're just gonna let it finish churning. We're gonna get them in some containers, and then Bob's your uncle. Now, if you like these ice cream containers, you can get them off Amazon. There's a link below, but they don't sell them with this design anymore. They just come plain like this and with that top. So I like to pull this out, that over here. And as I always say, with any ice cream maker, you have to freeze the ice cream afterwards. It always comes out soft serve. If you like soft serve, you're good. Even if it comes out of a plant, it's always soft serve. It has to be soft serve for them to get it into the containers. You ever think about that? Boy, that's so good. Cover it in plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Nobody likes ice cream that has those little icy shards. And I'm gonna let this freeze for a solid couple hours till it's, let's just say, store consistency. All right, put this in the freezer. Yo guys, you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna taste this. This was a very simple ice cream to make, and the payoff is bigger than the effort. It's very good. The links to the ice cream maker I used and the other one I showed you, and even the scoop, is in the description below. Chef KENDRA'S out. Peace. This is so good.